Sounds people make when they live.
You don't want it!
Swole Patrol is back, bitch!
Oh shit!
Someone call Swole Patrol?
Dude, I'm too swole right now! It's this shit!
Call 911, we're about to murder the gym! Hey bro, can you spot me real quick?
Yeah, man, no problem. Yeah.
Have you seen my beach ball? It's about this wide, this round, and it went that way. Hey, what are you doing, bro?
Circuit workout, bro. Hey, you spot me. So, Mr. Fernandez, why do you work out in such nice clothing?
It's a great way to stay in shape.
There you have it. We've heard it from the best. Coming to you live from Torrance, Channel 5 News.